Hello, my name is Adebayo Aisha, and I'm the founder of Aish Naturals, a Nigerian manufacturing brand with an expertise in the formulation of science-based skincare products aimed at nourishing and restoring self-confidence through effective natural skincare products aligning with SDG 3, 8, and 12. Being a botanist, our products are made using natural plant extracts that are clinically proven to deliver visible results in 4 to 6 weeks. Currently, we have just 6 products serving different skin issues in the market, ranging from cleansers, toners, serum, moisturizers. In the past years of operation of Ash Naturals, we have been able to help over 500 customers restore their self-confidence, received over 97% positive feedback from our customers, launched a user-friendly website, and finally increased our product line from 1 to 6 products. We operate a business to business model as well as business to consumer model. Our target audience are 85% of women between the age range 25 to 50 with low and high income earners who also prioritize the use of natural ingredients for their skin needs. Not only do we offer quality, science based, effective yet affordable skincare products, our products also add value such as increased confidence, motivation, and empowerment value to the women at large. Our social impact involves supporting and investing in the community we operate in, and we are committed to creating more job opportunity, thereby boosting the economic growth. Thank you.